right, unit for assessment operations with integers. Number 1, 4 points are labeled on the number line. P, Q, R, S. Which point represents the absolute value of -2? A point P, B point Q, C point R, D point S. Number 2, Javier wrote an integer. The opposite of Javier's integer is -64. Which of these statements about Javier's integer must be true? 1, the integer is 64. 2, the integer is -64. 3, the integer has an absolute value of 64. 4, the integer has an absolute value of -64. A, 2 and 4. B, 2 and 3. C, 1 and 4. D, 1 and 3. Which expression is represented on the number line below? A, 6, -2. B, 0, -12. C, -2, symbol, -12. D, -2, symbol, -6. Number 4. Joshua used integer gifs to model and solve a problem. Which equation did he model? A, -6 plus 3 minus -3. B, 6 plus -3 is equal to 3. C, 6 minus 3 is equal to 9. D, 6 plus -3 is equal to -9. Number 5. What is the value of the expression below? -7, 3, plus, -6, divide by 8. Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Okay. Number 6. Kayla played a math game and had 5 cards shown below. Her score was the sum of the numbers on these 5 cards. What was Kayla's score? A, 34, B, 16, C, -16, D, -34. Number 7. The coach recorded the yards gained or lost by his football team during the first 4 plays of a game. First play, -6 yards. Second play, 7 yards. Third play, -15 yards. Fourth play, 11 yards. How many total yards did the team get in this set of plays? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 8. Over a period of 12 hours, the temperature dropped 60 degrees Fahrenheit. What was the average change in temperature in 1 hour? A, -48 degrees Fahrenheit. B, -5 degrees Fahrenheit. C, 5 degrees Fahrenheit. D, 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 9. The table below shows the changes in the temperature of weather during 1 week in February in Minneapolis, Minnesota. At the beginning of the week, the temperature is -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Temperature change, day, change in degrees Fahrenheit, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What was the temperature at the end of the week? A, 18 degrees, B, 10 degrees, C, 8 degrees, D, 14 degrees. Number 10. Jackson went deep sea diving with some friends. If he descends at a rate of 4 feet per minute, what integer represents Jackson's depth in a quarter of an hour? 15 minutes. A, 100 feet. B, -60 feet. C, -100 feet. D, 60 feet. Number 11. Angel has a balance of -$19 in his checking account. He makes a trip to the bank to deposit $368. The next day, he purchases a new video game for $47 using his debit card. What is Angel's new balance after he purchases the video game? A, $434, B, $339, C, $302, D, $301. Number 12. Jacob uses tiles to represent integers as shown below. How would Jacob represent 2, -4? A, B, C, D.